After 40 years, Service America closes via absolute auction. Stampler Auctions is selling it all, live on site in Fort Lauderdale and simultaneously online on Thursday, December 6th. The inventory of parts, supplies, and equipment will start at 10 a.m. At 2 p.m., we will stop and sell 30 vans, trucks, and cars. We will finish that evening with the rest of the inventory. Everything will sell on December 6th. Brand new cased goods, branded air conditioning, plumbing, electric, and appliance parts, all to be sold in suitable size lots. A Harbin pump, brake, shear, pumps, pressure cleaners, 100 ladders, and so much more. Over a $1 million valuation, including a complete shop, a large branded inventory of parts and supplies. Find more information at StamplerAuctions.com or call 800-330-BIDS. Service America commissions Stampler Auctions to sell it all on December 6th. Don't miss it. See you all there.